হ্যালো গাইজ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আপনারা দেখছেন স্যাম আইটি টেক। এবং যথারীতি আপনাদের সাথে আছি আমি স্যাম, আজকে টপিক নিয়ে আলোচনা করার জন্য। তো গাইজ, ভিডিও শুরু করার আগে অবশ্যই সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানাতে চাই যারা এর আগে আমার ভিডিওটি দেখেছেন, সাবস্ক্রাইব করেছেন, তাদেরকে অসংখ্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। নতুন যারা আমার ভিডিওটি দেখছেন তারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন প্লিজ। তো গাইজ, আজকে এই ভিডিওটি মেক করা হচ্ছে ওয়েবসাইট থেকে, কানাডা বেস। আর আজকে আমি আলোচনা করছি লাইফ ইন্স্যুরেন্স নিয়ে। তো গাইজ, চলুন আর দেরি না করে শুরু করা যাক আজকের টপিক, লাইফ ইন্স্যুরেন্স, প্রোটেক্টিং ইউর ফিউচার। There is nothing more important than protecting your family, and while putting the dollar amount of the value of that protection is impossible, they need to create a financial buffer for them when you are gone is vital. And while life insurance seems expensive, it is usually very good value, and it's indispensable for your family in the event of your unexpected death. Life insurance is about peace of mind. Home insurance covers the hazards the most homeowners face, everything from fire to theft, trade, foundation, and accident on your property. When you lose occurs, you will find a claim with your insurance carriers, and you are paid to the expenses, minutes, and outstanding duplicate amounts. Knowing that the unexpected diagnosis and or sudden death will not leave your family at risk helps your life life to its fullest now, without fear of hardship on the road. By working with the professional at Graham, you can make certain that the things that are the most important to you are protected: your supposed standard of living, your children's college, your crunch, and other organization with special meaning to you. All can be included in your life insurance portfolio. The benefit can also make certain that the cost of the funeral and burial does not create hardship. The two main types, they recognize that everyone's situation and the unique. Their Graham agent will explain the two major types of insurance available, and then the help you to find policy that is the right for you. Term life policy. Term life policy is the setup the cover you are the specific period of time. The most common term policies cover the 15 to 20 years. Depending on the age of the issued premium, start out every in expectantly and increase in cost with your age. Some term life policies even offer the option to convert to whole life policy when the policy is the said expert. Whole life, universal life. Whole life is or universal life insurance covers the insured for the course of their life, even if your life to be 100 years old. An advantage of the universal life policy is that the policy builds cash value that you may borrow against in the time of the needed. The Graham Insurance differs by working with an agent who understands your family's needs and your wishes. You can have the protection and peace of your mind and deserve. While most insurance products are similar in the price and function, insurance providers are very different when it comes to structuring and the policy that actual covers for you. আসলে তারা দুই টাইপের পড়ে থাকে। প্রথমটা হচ্ছে টার্ম অফ লাইফ পলিসি, হোল লাইফ অ্যান্ড ইউনিভার্সাল লাইফ কারেন্সি। Life and retirement create a life of lifetime that will the last of lifetime. It securing life insurance of the most important thing you can do for your family. Many people are uncomfortable thinking about your insurance because of it is the association with death, but it is reality. Life insurance is about living, not dying. Having a appropriate level of the life insurance gives you the space of mind to live life of the fullest, knowing that your family will be taken care of. Your unfortunate illness, accident, or tragic event takes you from them. It is light. Life insurance is actually Tramdow's value. It happens more than that you think. After running multiple tests, doctors conclude you have two incurable medical conditions that may affect the length of your life you have remaining. A million thoughts race thought you're dead. You are unnecessary of jury who to call. You first priority of your family and who will look after their well-being. When you are gone will the might of the asking. A millionaire thoughts race through your hand. You are unsure what to do and who to call. The first priority is your family and who will look after their well-being when you are gone. You will might be asking yourself, who will yourself suppose stay upfront with all the debit acquired? Who will stay save for your children, colleagues, and friends? Where will your family be without you? Or will be your thinking instant how you will choose to spend whatever your time you have live with them? Source in the fact in the have a perceptibly calculated policy to cover your debit funeral cost and the legend of your family. There are two types of insurance policy to choose from: term life policy, whole life, and the universal life. Here to help to matter the situation, it is important to know the types of policy based situation there are needed. You need is the most amount of your coverage desired, and most importantly who the beneficiary will be. One of our helpful agents in the can help you to learn about more purchasing that life insurance policy, having space of mind knowing that you when you have the old family would not be burdened with financial heartaches and they will be able to maintain certain standard of living of fundamental resources. Term life policy are set up to ensure you are the specific period of time. The most common term policies offer coverage for the 15 to 20 years depending on the age of the insecure premium start out of very insensibly and increase in costs with your age. Some of our life policy even offer the option to convert the whole life policy when if the policy is set to expire. Whole life of the universal life insurance covers the insure for the course of their life. তো গাইস আজকের মতো এই পর্যন্তই। আসলে সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।